Hello everyone, so here we are in the drum lounge. I have just received my Cosmic Ears package for my new custom in-ear monitors. So let's do a bit of unboxing. Already super impressed with this awesome little box. Custom little Cosmic Ears sticker on the front, and it's been inspected and signed off by the makers. This is awesome. So here we have, this is my little receipt package, so we'll just set that there. We have a little Cosmic Ears warranty card, super cool. It's got your name, your order number, your model number. I've got the CE6Bs, super cool for all the drummers out there. And it's got the date, and it's got the signature and little email address, contact, that sort of thing. That's your little warranty card, super cool. It's got the cleaning tools, so clean in-ears equals happy in-ears. Nice one. Nice little happy face. Cool again. And here we have the awesome box. Cool. So we can take it to one side. This is awesome, man. This is cool. Look. This is like something you would get, like a super expensive watch or something. This is mega. Here we go. Oh yeah, I'm liking it already. It's got the hard case, which I opted in for. That's an addition, and you can get your name and contact details on it. Obviously if you're touring and gigging and stuff like that, and you're running off trains and planes, quite cool just to get some contact details. This box is cool. It's all foam packaged up and everything. And yeah, so this is pretty cool. Look. Little wrist tape. Or you can tie it onto like a gig bag or something. Super solid hard case. Yes. And here we go. So we've got a little Cosmic Ears pouch. I'm assuming you can keep your in-ears in them if you're not using the hard case. And here we are, guys. Check these out. Whoa. Super cool. So I've went for two different colours. I've got the royal blue and the red. Red is for, well, R for right, red for right. It's got the model number CE6B. It's got my initials. Man, these are awesome. It comes with the optic for the black cable as well. Yeah, it's just got some other wee bits and bobs in here, just some little cleaning cloth, all loaded up. Cosmic Ears. So yeah, check out cosmicears.com, guys. If you're thinking about getting some in-ear monitors, I would highly recommend them. They sound amazing. I've been down at the HQ when I was getting my impressions done and tried out a few different models, and you can sit down and go through them, through the staff. Everything's customizable, from the colour of the cable, the finish that you get on your in-ears, all different finishes, red sparkle, red, blue, green, you name it. And these are totally customised to fit you and yours, guys. So yeah, check it out.